How to turn off autoplay on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay on Spotify. So if you are tired of Spotify automatically playing the next song or playlist after you finish your current track, you are in the right place. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on settings and privacy. And once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as playback. Now here in this section you can see the option labeled autoplay under listening controls. So simply toggle off that option, and once you have done that, it will stop Spotify from automatically playing similar songs after your current playlist or song ends. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.